Okay, so before you solder on the surface mount component, let's get started with all these headers. Let's start with tack soldering the headers. I have the solder and the iron. It's a little difficult to try to record this and also solder, so hopefully I can get that easily. This side actually has two separate pieces of the headers. They just fit together well enough. Okay, I got that. And then I turn this around and see if okay, I see this side actually has two headers. Alright. I was just using scrap pieces. Okay, so now let's have a look. Okay, so this side is a little tilted. That's fine. If I just apply some pressure, there are two separate points that I attacked. So, okay. Let's see if that's good. Okay, it's good. This side's slightly tilted. Okay, we're good. And this other side, yeah, tilted slightly inward. Okay, that feels better. Okay, this is lined up well enough. This side has a 4-pin header scrap. Okay, I think I got that. Okay, so now it's all tacked. You could just go ahead and solder all of it, or you could just wait until you're done with the surface mount. So with the surface mount, let's take out a chip. This is a 595 chip. So let's take out two chips. And make sure this is the pin 1 side, right? There's a little notch here, so this is pin 1. Here, that's the pin 1. And I'll flip the chip all around. Okay. So we can see a little dot. So that dot is pin 1. Here's a dot. So the next thing I want to do is there are multiple ways you can do it. What I'll do is I will take a this blue tack and get the chips lined up, and then use the blue tack to hold it, so I can hold the chip in position while I tack the chip, or maybe solder half of the pins on one side. Okay,